She's finally here, my 21A unicorn bag. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Antoinette. I post videos every week about luxury unboxings, reviews, tips, as well as lifestyle and travel videos. If you're into that kind of video, if you would consider subscribing to my channel and click that notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. So for today's video, I'm so excited to share with you what I got for the 21A collection, which is the Métiers d'Art 2021, or what we also call as the pre-fall collection. And if you follow my channel, I have given you heads up as far as what's coming up for this season and the future collection. So I'll also be sharing with you as far as how I got this piece, and so in that way you will be aware of how to get some items that are hard to get, especially when the new collection is launched. So let me share with you what I got. And so before I open the box, I have shared as far as what are my wish lists for 2021. So this is one of my wish lists, and this is the color that I wanted. So I'm excited to share this with you. My SA was so nice enough to reserve one for me. I was not expecting that I would be getting this piece, and I'm really excited. So let's open this up. And so I wondered if you could guess what it is. And let me show you what I have. Oops. Alright, so let me just set this one aside. And of course you will get the care card and information, your receipt and everything is in here. So here is the piece, and you know it is not a classic bag because it is in this bag. So it is the 21A gray Chanel 19 in small size. So look at that beauty. I don't know if the lighting is, I don't even have lighting, I'm just facing a window so it would catch the true color without the lighting. And this is the side and the back of the bag here, and the bottom. So I would consider this as a light gray. It is not the dark gray that I had always wanted. I know that, you know, they were saying that there's going to be a dark gray coming for the next season, but I wasn't sure if it's coming for the Chanel 19. I know there is going to be a dark gray, but I just told my SA if you could get me the gray that's coming for the next season, I wanted to see it. I don't want to take chances and say I wanted to wait for the next collection and actually they won't have the gray. And then when he showed me this, I just fell in love. I think it's a beautiful gray. It's a true gray. It's just a lighter. It's such a beautiful gray. I think it is perfect for the fall as well as for spring, summer. Of course, it's going to be a little bit more delicate as far as color transfer. So I'm going to have to see if I'm going to pre-treat this one, and because it's a lighter color and I don't want to take chances. But of course, I always want to test it first on a conspicuous area before I actually treat the whole entire bag. So let me just share with you this beauty. I mean, she is really beautiful in person. And for those of you that are not aware, Chanel 19 comes in 3 different sizes. It comes in small, which is this one. And it also comes in medium and the maxi or large. So the way to tell a small 19 is that, you know, it has that one full quilt here and half quilts on each side. And the medium will have 3 full quilts. So that's how you're able to tell. And what I like about the Chanel 19 is that you could wear it crossbody, you could wear it top handle, as well as shoulder bag. And it has a magnetic pocket on the back. Let me show you the inside. So the Chanel 19, it has a fabric interior, And now it doesn't have an authenticity card, as like I mentioned, they had switched from the authenticity card and the serial sticker to this plate. So let me give you a closer look. So this is the plate now for the newer bags. And what I heard is that they could actually scan it at your Chanel boutique if you buy it like pre-loved. So there is no authenticity card, there is no serial sticker or anything, so it's just going to be this plate. And it's really tiny, so it's really not going to be on the way because it's just perpendicular to the other hardware here on the bottom. So it has a zipper here on the inside, and it's really spacious and I really like it. And I will be getting a bag organizer for this one so it would retain its shape. And I do have another Chanel 19, and that one is in goat skin leather. And this one, by the way, it's in lambskin, and it's super soft. It's so pillowy soft, and I really love it. And what I love about the Chanel 19 is the hardware. It has different hardware from the gold tone to the silver to the ruthenium hardware. So this one on the strap on the top is the ruthenium hardware, and then it goes down to the gold hardware and to the silver hardware. So you could actually wear it if you like to mix your jewelry. I think this bag is perfect. So this is the gray Chanel 19 in the 21A, and I really love it. And I think that's what's beautiful about the Chanel 19. And I love the size of the small. I think that it is equivalent to the jumbo. I would do a video as far as comparing the jumbo classic flap as well as the Chanel 19. The Chanel 19 is lighter. You could wear it different ways, whereas the jumbo you can't. So you could wear it as a top handle as well as a crossbody and a shoulder bag. And I really like it. And the color, oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. It's really hard to get right now. Let me tell you a story about this bag. I have posted a video a couple of months ago as far as the future collection, and that's the reason why I really wanted to share with you as far as what's coming up for the future collection, because that's very important, especially getting hard to find bags like this. So if you have a good SA, what I did on mine is that I contacted several SA asking them if they're gonna have the Chanel 19 21A in gray. And I specifically requested for a small, or if they won't have it in the 21A gray in 19, I would want it in the classic flap, either in small or the medium. But I heard that it's not available in the medium here in the US. So I said the small is fine for the 21A or the Chanel 19. So I, gave them my wish list. And so I had about 4 SA that I contacted, and they said, okay, they're gonna put me on a wish list. I'm not the type that wanted to put like a down payment because I really wanted to see the bag first before I get charged for it. So I don't reserve somewhere where I have to pay upfront. Usually, Chanel Boutique, they don't actually ask for a payment upfront. And the other SA that I contacted, they did not ask for a down payment. Only when they have the bag, they'll charge you and then they'll ship it to you. So all those 4 SA, only one was able to pull through. He, as soon as the 21A was released, he said, I have a Chanel 19 for you. Do you still want it? And I said, yes. So he only got 2 in his boutique. I was the first one who requested because I requested ahead of time, and that is why it's so important, and that's why I always want to share ahead of time as far as what's coming. In that way, you'll be able to have a heads up, give your SA and information that you wanted to be on a wish list for a particular bag. This one is the unicorn for the 21A collection, and it's a beautiful gray. It is a true gray, and it's on the lighter side of gray, like what they said, 40 shades of gray. There's so much shades of gray. Some have the blue undertone, some have the beige undertone, but I think, you know, in my opinion, this is a true gray. The true color of this gray, it's so beautiful. And yeah, so I really highly recommend this. And if you're the type that like a bag that is functional, that you could wear it day and night, and you could wear it with jeans, with shorts, I really highly recommend the Chanel 19. If you don't want such a heavy bag, then the small I would highly recommend. Again, this is in lambskin leather. It's so pillowy soft, it's so pretty. And so yeah, so here it is, the Chanel 21A in gray. And here it is, the newest addition in my collection, my Chanel 21A Gray 19 in the small size in lambskin leather. And she is such a keeper. It's such a beautiful bag. And I highly recommend a 19 bag. I do have another one in black. Yeah, this is my only lambskin in this Chanel 19. Comparing between the two, I love them both. I mean, they're different leather. I think though that the goat skin might be a little bit more durable, but the lambskin is softer, it's luxurious, and it's really pretty. So yeah, so here it is, the Chanel 19 21A. Again, I'm gonna put in the description box as far as the code and everything. So if you're looking for one and you wanted to ask your SA or the Chanel customer service, then you will have that information. So thank you so much for watching this video today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please stay tuned for my next week's video. I have another bag that I'm gonna reveal to you. It's another unicorn hard to find item for the 21A collection. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you soon.